Hi guys, my name is Alina Valiant and welcome to my channel. I know a lot of you struggle to understand what nutrition is, and some of you get really confused on what to eat and what not to eat. Nutrition is the fuel your body needs to be able to operate. Nutrients can be divided into groups: macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients are your carbohydrate, protein, and fat, and micronutrients are your minerals and vitamins. First are carbohydrates, or carbs for short. They are complex carbs and simple carbs. As a basic rule of thumb, complex carbs are good and simple carbs are bad. The only simple carbs we should be consuming are fruits. Complex carbs include whole grains, legumes, veggies. Simple carbs are your processed grains and sugars, fruit juices, alcoholic beverages, etc. In this picture, you can see on the left side all the good carbs we should be consuming. And on the right side, you can see all the processed carbs like your white rice, processed grains, and sugars we need to avoid. Next up is protein. I used to think that the only way I could get my protein requirement was by eating animal products. Later on, after researching for a few years, I learned that plant proteins are as good or superior to what you get from eating meat. On average, we need just over 50 grams of protein per day. In this picture, you can see how easy it is to meet your daily protein needs from plant-based foods. How much variety is that? Now we'll look at fat. I know so many people think that eating fat makes you fat. However, some fat is good, even essential, especially if it is derived from plants. Some of the best sources of fats include nuts and seeds, avocado, coconut, olives, cold-pressed oils, etc. Now we focus on macronutrients, starting with minerals. Minerals are basically salts. No, I'm not talking about table salt. This only has two elements, sodium and chloride. This isn't good for your health. When I learned about the danger of table salt, I started using pink Himalayan salt. This has 84 trace minerals in it, but it is not the best option. Later, I discovered that Celtic sea salt has a higher percentage of trace minerals in it, as much as 23%. Now I only use Celtic sea salt in my food. Finally, vitamins. There are various types of vitamins like your B vitamins A, C, D, E, and K. While most vitamins come from food, we can get vitamin D through spending time out in the sun, but not too much. Always remember, your body will perform the best if you feed it the optimum types of fuel. Combining a balanced diet with regular exercise is a pathway to living to 100. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.